Hello viewers, welcome to South Properties. We found an amazing villa to showcase it to you, which is uniquely designed with an amazing architecture done by Awesome Folk Group. This is located in 4th Cross, Gaurav Nagar, JP Nagar 7th Phase, Bangalore. As we could see, they are coming up with 4 villas in 2 different designs. It is ground plus 3 structure building, which is of BBMP approved and A Kata property. Each villa is constructed in 1200 square feet. As we see, the outside wall cladding is also done in granite. This is the parking area, and next to it is a main entrance for the house. This is the main door for the property. It is massive. It is 8 feet height. It is done in a teakwood and you have a digital locking system, a smart locking system. As we enter inside the house, you could see the flooring is Italian marble and you also have a lift which is given in the ground floor itself, and it is a living area. There are 2 living areas in this property, one in the ground floor and one above this floor. The lift service is provided from the ground floor itself. And there is a wall cladding done, which is done in granite. Not to worry about the electricity and water, as already a borewell and Kaveri connection is provided. There is a 15,000 liter tank in the ground floor and overhead tank is 5,000 liters. This is a dining area. And down over there is a common toilet. And this dining is attached to the kitchen, where the serving becomes easy. You could see a beautiful interior work is done. An amazing combination. As we saw, there was a beautiful interior work done in kitchen. The cost for the interiors is separate. The wardrobes, the kitchen cabinets, the costings for that are totally different. Yeah, coming over here is a living area. This living area can be utilized by the family people, where the other living area, which is in the ground floor, can be utilized for the guest. And it has a common toilet. With the attached balcony. Nowhere the quality is compromised here. Let's check out the bedrooms now. There are totally 3 plus 1. 3 bedrooms and 1 home theater room. The height of the bedroom doors are all 8 feet. They have provided a wooden flooring for the bedrooms. As I said, the wardrobes or the interiors are totally separate, but the wooden flooring do not consider. It's given by the builder. And there is an attached toilet. They have provided a superior quality fixtures, even a hot and cold mixture unit. This is the other bedroom. The lift service is provided till the door of the bedrooms. As I already mentioned, the wardrobe or the interiors costs are totally different. It does not include in the property cost. Again, the room will come with the wooden flooring. It has an attached toilet with the skylight area done with the superior quality fixtures. This room has a attached balcony, which is huge as a balcony we saw in the living area. In the same way, there are other 2 bedrooms in the higher floor. Well, coming to the costing, with the interior, it costs you 3.25 crores. Without interiors, it is 2.95 crores. There is a lot more to tell about this property and its uniqueness. For more details, contact South Properties. Please like and share. Do not forget to subscribe. Thank you.